Well, to start our journey in Android development, first of all, we had to get a software. The name of the software will use for developing our Android app or for making an Android app is Android Studio. So in Chrome, I generally prefer Chrome over any other browser. So in Chrome, I will search Android Studio and it will automatically suggest you the download option. So I press enter, and in the first link I will I will click on the first link. Okay, so after clicking on the first link, the web page will be appear, and it will be a official web page from the Android Studio. So this is the web page. So it contains all the docs and all our necessary stuffs, our resources we will use in the upcoming videos. So for now, we will download this Android Studio. So for downloading, we will click this download Android Studio button. So after clicking, a notice will be appear. So if you have enough time, you can leisurely read this, but I don't have enough time, so I will just skip, ting ting, and then I will click I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions. I don't know what the hell this terms and conditions are. I just blindly believe the Android Studio. That's my belief system. Okay, after clicking here, I will click on download Android Studio and the version name is Dolphin and the patch version. Well, uh, just click here and and the Android Studio will easily download. So I click here. So the Android Studio is downloading now, as you can see here. So as of now, I already downloaded. Now I can stop it or it can resume in my background as I don't care. For your case, when the download is done, after that you have go to the downloaded folder where all your stuffs were downloaded. After that you have to double click it and press next only, and it will verify the down installation. After verifying the installation, this screen will come. So in this screen, you have to just press next, again, next, again, next, and then install, as simple as this. And for the time being, make a coffee or tea as you like and take a good sip of it and wait, or you can scroll Insta if you're interested in, and you have enough time left, you can like this video and subscribe this beautiful channel where you will get all the stuffs and knowledge of programming, of development, so you can become a good developer. Well, it's take a quite a lot of time as my device specs is not that good. For this case, it takes a lot of time as you get a good, I mean awesome gaming PC. Then it's a fast process for you. And in that case, you don't get your time for rest. In this time being, you can comment in this video as what is your dream to become, or what is your goal for next 5 year, and comment also if you like this video or not, and what are the improvement I can make so that the video become more likable, as it takes a lot of time. I think it will take more than 2 days in this speed. As of now, I don't have any other option. I have to wait. Well, hello there. If you are napping, knock it off. The process is completed. Well, it takes a lot hell of time, but we have to continue anyway. So let's proceed. Now again click next and then click on finish. As in my case, it takes a lot of time, I guess, to open. Well, now our Android Studio is started to running, and here we have configured our Android Studio so that it works perfectly in our environment. So let's proceed as we have to make our first project here. When the Android Studio gets started, then you get this interface. Now, if you're not familiar with this interface, so don't get hesitated. We will learn about this one by one. Now, for this, if you click here, new project, so from by clicking in this new project button, you can able to make a new project, and here are different template. So the installation part is ready. Now we will see. Here we have done our installation part of Android Studio. Now in our next video, we're gonna see how we can set up Android Studio for better performance. And if you like this video, please tap on the like button and subscribe our channel to get more Android related video or more programming related video. Thank you. Have a nice day.